studied about the what is the meaning of capacitors and what is the capacitance of capacitor. In that there are two types of combination. First is series combination. When the capacitors are connected in series, then it is called as series combination. And what is the meaning of parallel combination? So in this video we are going to study capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor without dielectric. Means here we study about the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor without dielectric. Here we consider two metal plates. These two metal plates which having area A, which of each having area A and which are separated by a small distance d. And these two plates which are separated by a conducting insulating material, which are separated by a insulating material, glass, wood, air, etc. And one of these plate is connected which is the insulating plate, and the other plate which is connected to the earth, when the plus q charge is given to the insulating plate, then by induction minus q charge which is induced on the inner surface of the earth plate, and the plus q charge by induction which is on the outer surface of the earth plate, means plus q charge which is induced outer surface of the earth plate, and this plus q charge which is being free because of this, when this which is ground, this plate which is connected to the ground, because of this plus q charge being free and close to the earth, when in outer region the electric field between these two conducting plates, due to these conducting plates in outer region electric field due to these conducting plates which is cancel out, so the net electric field E is equal to means electric field due to this insulating plate, equation is sigma upon 2 epsilon 0, and electric field due to this earth plate, because of this the electric field is 2 epsilon 0. Both these value is same but the sign is different, so the electric field between these two plates is 0. So in outer region the net electric field is 0. So in inner region electric field between these two conducting plates, in inner region electric field between these two plates is add up, and the net electric field, then the net electric field means in inner region electric field due to this conducting field which is add up, so the net electric field E is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon 0, where we know the formula for the electric field. In earlier session we studied the value of the electric field. The value of the electric field is sigma upon 2 epsilon 0. So sigma is called as the surface charge density and epsilon 0 means permittivity in free space. And this electric field in inner region which is add up, so here sigma upon plus 2 epsilon 0, then addition of this which gives 2 sigma upon 2 epsilon 0, where 2 get cancelled and the equation becomes sigma upon epsilon 0. So we know the sigma means the surface charge density, and the definition of the surface charge density means charge per unit area. Here the value of the surface charge density is Q upon A, substitute this value in this equation in place, substitute this sigma value in place of this sigma, then Q upon A epsilon 0. This is the equation 1. This is the equation 1. So inner region, the net electric field is E is equal to Q upon A epsilon 0. This is the equation 1. Then electric field in inner regions is equal to E is equal to Q upon A epsilon 0. Then V be the potential difference, between these two plates. After means then the electric field is, means if the V be the potential difference between these two plates, then the electric field, formula for the electric field, then E is equal to V upon D. Rearranging this equation E in the form of V is equal to E into D. By equation 1, here we calculate the value of the E, substitute this value E, then equation is Q upon A epsilon 0 and here D is. So the E value is equal to Q upon A epsilon 0 multiplied by D. This is the equation 2. Here we calculate the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Then the value of capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor without dielectric. So capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor without dielectric, capacitance formula is, we know that the capacitance of capacitor formula is C is equal to Q upon V. Here we calculate the value of V, substitute this value, means from equation 2, substitute this value, then C is equal to Q upon Q into D, value of V is equal to Q into D upon A epsilon 0. Here Q get cancelled, then equation, and this A epsilon 0 goes numerator, means A epsilon 0 upon D. Then this is the value of the capacitance of capacitor without dielectric. This value is equal to A epsilon 0 upon D, where C is the capacitance of capacitor, A means area, epsilon 0 means permittivity in free space, and D means the distance between these two plates. So in this video we studied the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor without dielectric, and this value is equal to C is equal to A epsilon 0 upon D.